Changes to a design happen constantly, and the need to remove items from your drawing will definitely come up. Luckily, LandFX gives you the tools to move this process along. From the irrigation menu, select the Delete Station icon. You can select either a pipe, head, or valve from the station you would like to edit. Once clicked, choose an option that best fits what you are trying to do. Remove all callouts on a given station in a click of a button. Run the Delete Station tool again, and you will see that the system will remember the last option picked, so you can quickly continue performing the same task. Or, select a different option as desired. Remove all pipe and heads if the zone needs to be redone. If you select the last option, you will see that the entire circuit is deleted, including the valve. Deleting a valve that has no lateral pipe connected will simply remove that valve off the mainline and stitch the mainline pipe back together, saving you the step of needing to reconnect your mainline in that section. Using the Delete Station tool on anything directly related to the mainline will simply remove that equipment and reconnect your mainline pipes back together. Using Delete Station makes it easier to remove what you need from your irrigation design, allowing you to continue your changes and finish your design.